Meaning of immobile.
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 Immobile. The word immobile refers to something that is completely still or unable to move. It describes a state of absolute physical inactivity or the lack of ability to move from one place to another. This term can be used to describe objects, animals, or even people who are unable to move due to a medical condition or disability. Being immobile can result in a loss of independence and a need for assistance with everyday tasks. It can also lead to health complications such as muscle atrophy, poor circulation, and an increased risk of pressure sores.